Welcome to the Energy Pack Kids TV. In this video we will learn types of flowers name in English. Daisy. This is Daisy. Tulip. This is Tulip. Sunflower. This is Sunflower. Lily. This is Lily. Marigold. This is Marigold. Orchid. This is Orchid. Hibiscus. This is Hibiscus. Lavender. This is Lavender. Daffodil. This is Daffodil. Violet. This is Violet. Jasmine. This is Jasmine. Poppy. This is Poppy. Carnation. This is Carnation. Iris. This is Iris. Peony. This is Peony. Chrysanthemum. This is Chrysanthemum. Petunia. This is Petunia. Zinnia. This is Zinnia. Begonia. This is Begonia. Lotus. This is Lotus. Water lily. This is water lily. Morning glory. This is morning glory. Cosmos. This is Cosmos. Gladiolus. This is Gladiolus. Snapdragon. This is Snapdragon. Bluebell. This is Bluebell. Geranium. This is Geranium. Lilac. This is Lilac. Dahlia. This is Dahlia. Camellia. This is Camellia. Freesia. This is Freesia. Azalea. This is Azalea. Aster. This is Aster. Primrose. This is Primrose. Crocus. This is Crocus. Anemone. This is Anemone. Nasturtium. This is Nasturtium. Foxglove. This is Foxglove. Pansy. This is Pansy. Magnolia. This is Magnolia. Columbine. This is Columbine. Cornflower. This is Cornflower. Catmint. This is Catmint. Ranunculus. This is Ranunculus. Amaryllis. This is Amaryllis. Passion flower. This is passion flower. Delphinium. This is Delphinium. Bougainvillea. This is Bougainvillea. Allium. This is Allium. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.